nature. In my free time, I always reading book.
Alright, so Sue, are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, so my name is Teacher Ken, and today you have a final speaking
Test.
test. Right, let's do it. Let's begin with our topic number 1, the class party. Now, Sue, so your structure here is teacher will ask you what he or she will do. So you will say he or she will. So use your hand and say something about the picture. Let's begin number 1 picture.
He will order
What
pizza.
is the name? Mark.
Mark will order pizza. Lisa will make decoration. Kevin will choose the music. Susan will bake cupcakes. David will buy balloons. Mary will bring fruit juice.
Very good. Let's move on to our topic number 2. So this time we have starting a party. So the structure you have here is what is he or she is doing. Remember, we have the in to your verb. So you will say he or she is. Let's talk about this picture. Use your hand.
She is pouring the juice.
Right.
He is serving the pizza.
Right.
She is setting up the music.
Right.
She is blowing up the balloons.
Right.
He is putting up the decoration.
Right.
He is putting out the cupcakes.
Wow, very good. Okay, next, another structure we have here is who will, and then you will say he, she, they will. Let's talk about this picture.
He will pour the juice.
Right.
They will put out the cupcakes. She will serve the pizza. He will set up the music. They will blow up the balloon. She will put up the decoration.
Very good. Okay, next, our topic is a year of celebrations. So your structure here is what will people in? So you have to say the name of the country, do in that, so the name of the season. And also you can say the response, they will celebrate, so the name of celebration. Now, so say something about this picture.
People in China will celebrate Lunar New Year in the winter.
That's right.
People in Japan will celebrate Children's Day in the spring.
Wow, very good.
People in Brazil will celebrate Carnival in the summer.
Right.
People in South Korea will celebrate Chuseok in the fall.
How about here in Vietnam? What do you celebrate here in Vietnam?
People in Vietnam will celebrate Tet holiday in the spring.
Oh, in the spring. Okay, good. Next one. Let's have the Amazon rainforest. Can you name these animals?
Colorful macaw, plain egret, dangerous flower, friendly river dolphin, spider, energetic spider monkey, carp slug.
Wow, very good. Now let's compare these two nouns. So you have to use the dan in your structure. Let's begin this one.
The macaw is more colorful than the egret. The egret is plainer than the macaw.
Very good. How about this one?
The jaguar is more dangerous than the dolphin. The dolphin is friendlier than the jaguar.
Oh, very good. Next picture.
The spider monkey is more energetic than the sloth. The sloth is calmer than the spider monkey.
Right, very good. Let's talk about the biomes. Now, Sue, can you name these biomes first?
This is tundra. This is desert. This is forest. This is oceans. This is grassland.
Wow, very good. Now say something about this picture.
Tundra is the coolest biome. Desert is the driest biome. Ocean is the biggest biome. Forest is the biggest biome on land. Freshwater is 3% of the Earth's water biomes. Grassland doesn't have many trees.
Alright. Okay, congratulations, Sue, and good job. See you.